down here. Seems to be an industrial park. Well, that's what the arrow said, and it sure as hell looks like one. So to me that means free space, wheelie practice, because I'm actually looking for a nice little road to do some wheelie practice on. Now that I don't live with my dad anymore, it's kind of far to go to my regular place, so I was thinking I can try stuff down here. That'd be nice to have a supermoto around here. Get some shit fucked up. It's nice big open roads. I like that. And I think we just ran through the whole thing, so let's turn around here. There's no one behind me, right? So it jumps up really nice, that's good. Mechanic's gloves. Let's take a right here, see what's down there. Hello, knee down corner. This is like a big U-turn street. That's nice. That's good to know. See, that's the big plus on these industrial terrains. There's absolutely no traffic. I'm actually getting starting to get the rear brake feel into it. Whoa, this is tight. And it's a Saturday, so people are still working around here on some of these roads. And in these buildings, of course, that's a dead end. That might be even more suitable. Let's go see in here. It's been a while since I tried any wheelies, so my heart's pounding. So this just enters into a playground. This is nice. Whoa. Panic jump on the brake. Damn. That was a second gear pull, and I lifted it slightly off the ground, but it wasn't really much of a show off thing. Wheelie of the day, my friends, wheelie of the day. And where they're building here on my left side, that little pond, that was one big plain of grass, and I used to kite there a lot. Sir, for real, flip that dude off.
Get that feeling that you think you're gonna die, when your heart's a minute beating, makes you wanna cry.